Hey everybody, it's Rob. I am excited to introduce you to my newest listing. We are at number 41 at 21 Augustine Crescent here in Sherwood Park. Got a lovely half duplex that's just listed. Come on inside, let's have a look. We've got a lovely 2017 built unit here. The kitchen is fantastic. You've got popular white cabinets, corner walk-in pantry, and granite countertops. Into the great room, gas fireplace, mantle, plenty of room to hang Christmas stockings. Upstairs we've got 3 spacious bedrooms, we've got a loft and second floor laundry. This home also features a fully finished basement, including a 3-piece bath, a 4th bedroom, and in the mechanical room we have a high efficiency furnace, hot water tank, and central air. It's Rob Coble, Remax Elite. Call me today, I'm never too busy for your referrals.
Everyone in my life, honey, you're my highlight. Try something that scares me. We stuck out past curfew, got tattoos matching on our forearms, permanent good luck charms. Happy right where we are, covered by the moon. I still recall our second date. I was nervous in theater 8. You kissed my cheek, and it seemed that everything I need could be right in front of me. Oh, it happened on a wind blows a happy accident. Painted on the skyline and printed in the